Good morning, good evening, or good afternoon, folks. It's now Thursday evening here at Fairford. I've got no phone signal, so I wanted to use the OS maps. What I should have done, it's too late now. They were shutting the door after the horses bolted, shutting the gate. I should have downloaded the maps and I'd have had them. But anyway, as usual, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm just having a little ride round on my bike. I haven't got the GoPro. Well, so I ain't got it with me. It's in the camper. Again, I'm going to spin you around. 1, 2, 3. Try again, yeah. So yeah, so I'm just going to use the pocket tonight just to make it a bit easier on the editing. This is called Wheelford. Where I'm actually at, where I'm camping. It's called, I don't know what they call it, an air tattoo. Anyone know? Let me know in the comments. There's a public footpath there. I did want to go on, I fancied a walk, or I know there's some lakes around here, but without the OS maps, I'm stumped. So I thought I'd have a little bike ride round. 1, 2, 3. Get you back to me. I'm going to go. I did seem to have a phone signal by the air place, so I'm going to have a little cycle down. I must say it's a lovely area. Yeah, it's been great so far. I'm just going to spin you around. You don't want to see too much of me. What I do like is the my neighbours. Oh, it's come back to me. Oi! 1, 2. Let's just get you back round again. Yeah, what I do like, my neighbours, very friendly. You know, which is nice. Because sometimes, I have said before, when I go away on my own, I get what I call cabin fevers, because you don't have anyone to talk to, and yeah, it's a bit strange. But anyway, who put that bump there? So I'm just having a ride along. I'm trying to get some phone signal so I can download the OS map if I can. Yeah, still a few folks around. There's the odd plane taking off now. What I'm doing tomorrow is I'm just going to cycle up here, and I'm going in my camper, and I'm going to park on site, so I've got all my facilities to get different camera lenses, dinner, drinks, all sorts. It looks like I should have gone on the cycle path to the left, but too late now. So that's the runway over there. Still a lot of folks here. Well, there's some helicopters actually over there. Don't know if you can see them. We'll go all the way down. I'm going to check my phone, see whether I can do any good. So I don't know why they put the high fence up. It just makes people have to pay to view. But anyway, I'm just going to pull up here now, folks. So I might get a bit of a Sony shot here of the helicopters. See you in a minute. Alright, it's got the red arrows landing at the moment. Might see I'm just coming in behind that helicopter there. These were just up. Zoom in. I'm not sure. I'm inside there tomorrow, but I don't know where you're actually allowed to walk. But seem to be some spectator areas over there. So it's a lovely evening. I'm going to carry on having a ride round. Actually, I'm sure that is just flying past, but hey-oh. Hey-oh. Lovely sound. Yeah, greetings folks. I've just pulled up. I'm just going to spin you around there. Yeah, it's very busy with people, planes landing. So hopefully I'll have a nose round there tomorrow. Yeah, greetings folks. Back on the road again. I've got to remember, I've got to think which gate I've got to go in tomorrow. It's along here. Yeah, certainly a lot of folks out and about tonight. It's a lovely evening. A bit bumpy on this road. I bet the runway's not like this. Again, thanks for joining us, and pedestrian gate there. It must be the one after that. Yeah, all quiet at the moment folks. I'll try and spin you around. Probably going to carry on down the bottom. There is a plane coming into land as we speak. It's just about to go over my head. Hey up! Hey-o! Whoa! Hope I got that folks. Yeah, this is Walford. I'll try down. I have picked a bit of phone signal up because it's downloaded a few messages, but I've lost the signal again there. So I'll just carry on down here. I'll see you in a bit folks. Yeah, I've just pulled into a field. Yeah, there's a few folks with their cameras all lined up. So I'm just going to wait, see if anything else lands. Yeah, I think it's a Chinook, I think. I'm not too up to date on helicopters. I know it's a helicopter, it doesn't say on the tin, but there we go. Yeah, I just missed a big plane that was flying with them folks. A better view tomorrow when I'm in the show, but get a few pictures tonight. Here comes the jet. Can you hear it? Lovely folks. I'm still trying to find a phone signal. I'm riding around the area at the moment. But that's another story. Yeah, unfortunately on the side of the road I'll get a few cars go past, but sorry about that folks. See ya. Right. Yeah, greetings folks. So I'm just having a little ride out. I've just stopped. Those little stunt planes were good. They're still going, but I don't want to make the video too long and film everything. So yeah, so I'm just having a ride round. I mean, it's the first time I've been away, so I'm trying to get a bit more power. First time I've been away in the motorhome, I've had no phone signal. Well, apart from when I've been to Wales years ago, you'd have thought round here the 3 network would have been all of it's let me down. Welcome to Vodafone. I have got EE as well. But it's only on pay as you go, so I'm not sure if there's any EE signal either. I don't know, there might be. So I'm just having a little ride. I've got no mapping, so I don't know where I'm going. This actually says Fairford, so there we go. So we'll see whether there might be a pub with Wi-Fi or something I can stop and have a soft drink. We'll see. It's a nice little ride out. Tonight. Getting a few bits of dust going in my one eye, which is getting on my nerves a bit, but anyway, I'll try and flick you around so you can see where I am. Yeah. So still got the planes flying over. Yeah, it's strange how it's quite noisy. My next door neighbour did say to me that he said it's going to be noisy, and he was right. But if it was a motocross, it'd be a lot quieter. Yet you do get a lot of people, like, especially if a motocross was in this area, they'd be up in arms. But this noise is a lot louder. Oh, it's only a bumpy road. Yeah, they seem to, well, this is practice at the moment, but they seem to, there's another YouTube, he calls the folks in their cycling gear, they've got the spandex on, he's in America, but yeah, so coming to a crossroads now, so see what we got up here. Civilization, the Marlborough Arms. So, it don't look too bad over there. Piece of pub. Greetings, folks. Well, just to let you know, there is a phone signal. I think this is Fairford now. What's this coronation? Actually, I'll never watch it, but over there, we spin you around. It's Coronation Street, folks. How do I know? It says it on the tin, I'll never watch it. This is a lovely little place here. I love all those houses there. This is Milton Street here. And got a lovely bench just here, so it says 1911 on it, so let's just show you this old sign here as well. So yeah, very nice. So I'm gonna have a little sit down for a minute now, folks, so catch you in a minute. Yeah, greetings, folks. It's a lovely evening here. It's now about 6:30. Nice little bike ride, about 2 mile ride. So I'm going to head back to the campsite shortly. Now it's just a little evening ride out. I may have a little ride up and down this street, see if there's anything here. Then I'll head back to base, so I'll catch you in a bit. Right, this is Fairford Fish Bar over there. So I've come into like a little post office there. It's got coffee posts. So yeah, it looks quite nice. We're going to have a little ride a bit further, folks. Oh, it's a co-op. over there, probably gone past it now. Yeah, so this looks a bit more like it. I say I'm alright for food, so I don't need fish and chips. So we just go up here and have a quick nose, see what's about. An old phone box there. Oh, that's a lovely church I've ever seen. Well, we'll have a quick nose at that. Actually, that does look nice there. So I don't know what's up here. What's this? Oh, it's a sports centre. I'll turn around here then. Yeah, I'm going to have a look at the church. Just let that car go. Yeah, it looks quite nice. Just straighten that out a bit. Oh, it's come to me. Yeah, we're going to go and check that church out, folks, so see you in a minute. Yeah, greetings, folks. So this is the church here, St Mary the Virgin, Fairford. Obviously I won't be going in it, but there's a bit of information there, and let's just give you a little shot of the church there. It does look nice. Yeah, we got a bit of background of the jets around as well. Yeah, another little shot of the church. Rest in peace, everybody here. Little pan round. I'm going to head back down now. Catch you in a minute. Yeah, greetings, folks. I'm going to head back to campsite now. I'll just give a few clips as I go through this village here. If the pocket will, I can hear a helicopter now. Could have done with a GoPro, not really, but should be all right. So yeah, at least I know there's a co-op here, so if I do need anything, not too far away to cycle up. Yeah, so I'm going to go back to the camper now. I'm going to take a right here, I think. Yeah. Yeah, a bit dodgy around here, folks, must admit. So I'm heading back along now to the I'm going to take a left turn, and so there is a some sort of pub hotel there. It looks nice. Oh, well, I know what I wanted to do, stop on this bridge here. It's a lovely view. Let me just pull up here a minute, folks. Yeah, that's nice. What a view there. And then swinging round, another nice view over there. Worth a Sony shot. Catch you in a sec. Yeah, someone's enjoying themselves down there. And that's a lovely view over there. Ayo. Shot in between the cars. Another lovely view of the countryside over there. And those are lovely, those flowers. They look nice and they smell nice. Very nice. One more little pan round here. Right, I'm going to start heading back towards the motorhome now. Yeah, greetings, folks. I got back from my bike ride last night. I forgot to end the video, so I'm ending it now. So as usual, don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay safe and well wherever you are, folks. Let's hope there's peace in the world and Ukraine. We see you all on the next video. Don't forget there's going to be a few on from the air show. So see you in a bit, folks. Bye for now. Bye.